Hello friends, in this lesson we will learn about isNumeric method in Python programming. So, isNumeric method checks if a string contains only numeric characters. I change my message here. So I just write numeric characters. I want to check it. For checking this, I will use message and then dot notation and then isNumeric method. If I run it, what you will see, I need to run this one, 61. If I run it, what you see is true. It consists of only numeric characters, only digits. So, if I edit a at the end of this string, what will appear? You see false. Because I have right now one character which is not numeric character. So this method is very useful when checking if user input is numeric or not. And we will use our exercises to validate the data. Super. See you in the next lesson.